Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make transparent background in Canva Pro. Just customize this template. There are two pages. So this is the white background. If we change it, you see that there are a lot of background. So our mission is to how to transparent it. Now this is the black background. When we delete it, there is nothing. So when we share this and click on download, here is the option of transparent background. Just you will click on PNG and transparent and download it. You can easily get transparent background of this image. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.